Today we're going to take a quick look at this new Honda Grom that's had a few modifications and custom paint thrown at her. Yes, it's not as wild as the turbo and nitrous fed Grom or as crazy as some of the other custom motorcycle builds we've covered, but it's still worth checking out. And we'll start off first with the paint and overall design behind this Grom, which came from the super talented Italian graffiti artist Francesco, and man oh man does he have some cool artwork that you guys should check out. Now he wasn't alone in this endeavor, as he also had Alex Polito, a highly decorated motorcycle racer, to team up with on this Grom build. And yeah, it's a bit on the simple side, with the only real modifications other than paint being some LED turn signals front and rear, as well as some handguards and a fender eliminator out back with some aftermarket handlebars to finish it off. And if you'd like to help support this build, if you're watching this before the end of August, check out the link below and go vote for this bike or one of the other wild builds that were built for this year's Wheels in the Wave show. What do you guys think about this one though? Pretty cool or not your style? Or do you think they should have tinkered around with it a bit more? Let's talk about it all down in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.